Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to mint and burn both DJED and SHEN on DJED.xyz. We start off by browsing to DJED.xyz and connecting our Cardano compatible wallet. We've already connected our Nami wallet, but it's also compatible with Eternal, Yoroi, Flint, Giro wallet, NuFi, and Typhon wallet. We're going to click on DJED stablecoin to bring up the options for minting and burning DJED. On the minting column, we enter the amount of DJED we want to mint. For now, the minimum minting amount is 1,000 DJED, but we're going to enter 5,000. After clicking accept on the terms of use, you'll see all the additional fields populate. There's the equivalent ADA amount, the 1.5% mint fee, which is going to SHEN holders, and the 1.461 ADA required to deliver the minted DJED. Once we click mint, we go ahead and sign the transaction in our wallet. You'll see transaction successful down the bottom before the action is added to this activity section down below. Once the status changes to complete, the newly minted DJED will be delivered to your wallet. To mint SHEN, it's exactly the same process. Click on SHEN Reserve Coin tab, enter the amount of SHEN you want to mint, confirm the ADA amount including fees, and click mint. Sign for the transaction and then wait for the mint to process. Soon, the newly minted SHEN will arrive in your wallet. To burn DJED, we head back to the DJED tab and enter an amount of DJED in this second column. For burning, the current minimum amount is 200 DJED, but we're going to choose 5,000. Once the terms of use are accepted, you'll see the amount of ADA you'll get back, minus fees and transfer cost. We click on burn, sign the transaction in our wallet, and ADA will soon be returned to us. Burning SHEN is very similar to burning DJED. The current minimum amount to burn is 500 SHEN, but we're going to enter 5,000. We accept the terms of use, confirm the fees, transfer amount, and the amount of ADA we're getting in return, and click burn. We sign for the transaction, wait until the order in the activity section has completed, and ADA will soon be returned to us. For further guides, please check the link in the description below, and as always, stay COTI.